Hello Travel, so today we're going to be taking a look at these two new pouches from Alpaka, and that is the Vertex pouch. It just was successfully launched on Kickstarter, but they will be available for purchase on their website around December is what I've been told. So now there are two different material versions. They're actually the same in dimensions in every way. So the only difference is that this one is the new Axoflux material, which to me feels a lot like a kind of a Cordura sort of fabric, but this made from recycled bottles, which is great. And then this one is their more traditional X-Pack material. I have been using mainly the Axoflux version because this one is 380 grams, which is a bit lighter than the X-Pack one, which is 420 grams. So I do also have a couple of their other pouches here. This is the Tech Case, just the regular size one. The Tech Case Max, my girlfriend stole it, so I don't have that to compare with. But it is kind of sort of similar sized with this one. But I will show you a bit more about what you can pack in them. This is also the Bellroy Light Sling Mini. So this is a 4 litre. The new Vertex pouch is 3.5 litre. So this actually technically holds slightly more. The old Tech Case, I believe, was about, was it 2 or 2.5 litres? The main thing you'll notice about this particular one is that it has this sort of interesting front flap design, and it has a very nice handle here. So the handle is similar to the Tech Case Max. The Tech Case Max also has a handle, and you can attach different points here. The Max also does have a D-ring here for stabilization clips, but this handle is very comfortable, very nice to hold. And you also get these clips here, so you can unclip this strap and then use it without a strap like this one here. The strap you get actually is quite nice. It has very nice shoulder padding here, and it is adjustable, and it has the magnetic clip here as well, so you can just slide that off and put the strap on or off easily. So let me just kind of walk you through what I have in here. This is just what I've carried on a daily basis, like an EDC. You could use this as a desk caddy. I'll show you that in a bit more in a minute. So it has this front pocket, and I've just got some wireless headphones in there and my sunglasses. Let me just show you the main compartment. So this has like a flap down, and there are magnets that actually hold it in place. So when that's sitting on a desk like this, it doesn't tip over, which is one of the features of this bag. And the other interesting thing is that this front pocket actually is accessible via this one too. So this front pocket actually goes all the way through. So say if I had my sunglasses or headphones in the front one, I can then access those as well through the top while it's open on a desk. So that is quite a handy feature. So this is just a basic pack of what I would carry. You could fit more different things. You could fit, you know, like EDC items like this, or more tech-based items. This back panel here, I've just got this Mimo bottle. It actually has like a kind of felt lining, so you could put like an iPad. I think an iPad mini fits in there. And I have some wet wipes, hand sanitizer, and I have a hero clip. And you also get a zippered compartment here. I don't have anything in there at the moment, but there are additional pockets for like SD cards. You also get a magnetic section here, and I just have some aspirin in there. And then you get two front mesh pockets. I have a power bank, and then a packable day bag from Decathlon, and just my wallet, which is also from Alpaka. I'll leave a link to that one as well. So that's basically it. It's actually quite nice. I think it has good organization, and at 3.5 litres, it's a fairly good range. I have been using the Bellroy Mini, which is a 4 litre one, and I found that to be a really nice amount of space. So 3.5 is quite similar. You can see the front section has quite a bit of storage area, so you could probably put a small camera in there. Nintendo Switch actually does fit in there without too much trouble. The back one, it just fits in there. You might need to take the controllers off, but it does fit in there fairly nicely. The Bose QC45, they actually fit in the front there as well quite nicely. And again, you could also put them in the back padded area. So that is quite a nice comfy fit there. So this panel here as well in the middle, it has a split on the bottom. It's not attached on the bottom, so you can move that forward or back depending on how you want to divide your items. And as I said, this front part does have magnets in it, so that holds it open. So when it's on desk, it's not going to tip over and you'll be able to easily access your items, which is a great feature. Let me just show you the X-Pack version. It has the same features and the same pockets and everything. It's just that this one has the orange honeycomb lining on the inside instead of the white honeycomb. I actually kind of prefer the white one. It looks a little bit more sort of classy or professional, but the orange is also nice. And again, you just do get the same amount of pockets and everything. And as you can see, it stands up without being able to be knocked over, which is great for a desk caddy. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the website and check the comment below where I will include any discount codes that are currently running for Alpaka. And I'll just show you how I would pack this again with my items. So put these ones here. Wallet can probably go into this sleeve. And as I say, this packable one, let's put these down there. And I could probably slip this somewhere down this side there. And then this front one, go ahead and put the sunglasses and headphones. And that's it. All fits quite nicely with a bit of room to spare. And it also has a water resistant zipper and a water resistant design overall. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.